The most important impact of climate change to the state of Delaware and the entire Delmarva Peninsula is sea level rise. Over the last 100 years, global estimates of sea level rise are between 6 and 8 inches. However, the relative sea level rise along the Delaware coast has been greater because the land along Delaware's coast is sinking. So, taken together, the relative sea level rise along the Delaware coast has been somewhere around 15 inches over the last century. Assuming the rate of global sea level rise and sinking stay the same over the next 100 years, we would expect relative sea level along the Delaware coast to be at least another 15 inches higher by 2100. Many experts in the field expect global sea level to rise faster over the next century, as much as 1.5 to 4.5 feet in the next 100 years. Whatever the rise, any increase in sea level will create more danger of significant storm surges along the coast from nor'easter or tropical weather type systems. In a state that already suffers with coastal flooding issues, sea level rise and its potential effects are a major policy issue. Unlike other areas of the globe, the atmospheric climate over the state of Delaware has changed little over the last century. Good data on temperature and precipitation exists back to 1895 for Delaware. Looking at the climate since then, temperatures have been increasing slightly during all seasons, but these temperature trends have been quite small across our region, with mean annual temperatures increasing about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit over the last 100 years. Except for autumn, precipitation trends have been quite variable in the other seasons. During autumn, the state has seen an increase in mean precipitation of about 2.5 inches over the last century. Continued monitoring of the regional environment, including sea level, air temperature, precipitation, etc., is needed so that we can better understand how our environment is changing and understand the mechanisms associated with that change.